open mine?
Yep, go.
Oh, I got beans of candy.
How much?
$100 bill. What? Oh my god! Oh my! That is awesome.
Read your slip.
It's not fake.
Read the purple side first.
Okay, it
Purple side first.
says Happy Easter. Psych, give it back. I found never.
No, that's the, you gotta give it back.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Nope, you have to.
I'm keeping it.
You can't keep it.
That's a pretty cruel joke,
I found Easter.
Pam, open yours.
I found Easter.
Give it back.
beans. I'm keeping
It's
it.
part of the deal. You have to listen to the slip.
Yeah, Nancy, you have to listen to the slip too.
Garbage man. Give it back. I'll give you something else. Just give it back.
It's $100 slip.